So every time I see Pat McGrath come out with these limited edition lipstick sets, I always want to get them. Let me show you the one I have here. Look how beautiful. The red just caught my attention. I have reviewed several different one of these. I will leave the playlist in the comments and in the description for you to check out. As many different colors that she comes out with, many different like combos. This one today is called the Pat McGrath Labs Mini Red Fantasy Lip Trio. And look how cute. I love to review these. It's great for the holidays if you want to try Pat McGrath, but you know it's very expensive. This is a great way to try her items. Her lipsticks usually cost like, I don't know, one will be maybe $30-something. This here, these three items are $25. And yes, it is limited edition. Make sure you're careful when you open it up because she does include like these things here, which are super messy. I'm going to swatch them and I will also try it for you so you can see. So you have a lip liner. It's very nice. Nice size, right? This should last a while. You have here a lipstick. And yes, they are tiny. Some people get surprised like, oh my god, they're so tiny. Yes, this is tiny. And for $25, I mean, you're getting three things and what can I say? Really cute. I love this. The lips here, I love it. And we have a lip gloss. So before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. This Perma Gel Ultra Lip Pencil is long-lasting, waterproof lip pencil designed to blend seamlessly and add definition and structure. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it first so we see what it looks like. And this is called the Bloodlust. Look how pretty that is. I'm more of a nude person, but I just love red too. Here you go. This is what it looks like. So you will have to sharpen this. It's not like a twist. That's what it looks like. So it's not like a super deep red, right? Like I see some pink in there. And let's see how easy it is to use. I don't usually overline my lips or even line my lips a lot. But if you like to, I mean, it's working really easy, really smooth. It's nice and creamy, but not too creamy for it to be like messy. You have good control. Okay. And I know someone will ask me if these are scented at all. There's no scent to this whatsoever. Lipstick, which is richly pigmented lipstick that adorns lips in a veil of lightweight color for a modern matte finish. So if you want to know if this is matte, yes it is. And let's look. Yes, this is what you get. Should finish it like fairly quickly, depends how much you put, but I know these start getting a little weird like if you keep it for too long. Let's see. There you go. Color of the lip liner and the lipstick are like very similar. And did I tell you what this is called? This is Elson 3. And of course my dog loves to start coughing once I start filming. I was like, I was right next to him and he was sound asleep, but I leave and it's like, all right, so look at that. Think it's too pink. I hope it's coming out the right way on camera. I think it's beautiful. It's creamy, so it goes on smooth. I don't think if you have super dry lips it's gonna be a problem. Like if I go like this, it does feel a bit creamy, so it's awesome. You can top it off with the lip gloss if you would like. And this is called Angelic. I think. Luxurious lip color that delivers ethereally erotic color, seductive shine of a glossy balm. So you choose. If you love the matte look, then you don't have to do this. Or if you like to wear this sometimes alone, that would be awesome too. Oh, this is scented. This is scented. Oh, so nice. I really like that. I know it's not for everybody, but okay, here is that a lip gloss alone. It does have a bit of sparkle. I hope you can see that. You can either just put it like on your finger like this, so you don't mess this up and it's red everywhere, and just place it on top, maybe just like around the middle. I think it looks very pretty. I really like to do it like that just to keep this clean, or you can take like a Q-tip and do it like that as well, but you choose. Let me know what you think about this set. Would you get it? I'm going to leave it in the description so you can check it out if you would like. Alright, I'll leave the link in the description. Hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.